Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over the bonus promotions that's connected with the World of Hyatt program for 2023. Now Hyatt usually likes to put out these bonus journeys in the beginning of the year where you can end up earning yourself additional points with a certain amount of spend, or like a couple years ago where they actually giving out additional elite nights for each night stayed. This year they have a bunch of new promotions that are going out to try to incentivize people to stay at their hotels in the beginning of the year. Now this year these promotions are actually targeted, and not only are they targeted, there's actually different offers that are targeted. So some people might not get any offers at all. Some people may end up actually getting an offer targeted to them, and then some other people might end up getting a better offer that is targeted to them. Now I'm gonna go over the different offers that are out there, but you definitely wanna check your email to see if you happen to be targeted for one of these. The first thing you know is that you do need to register for these promotions. Now the promotion date starts on January 9th, and then the registration ends on February 28th. And the qualified stays for this promotion goes till March 19th. Now as I said, these offers are targeted, and there are numerous different offers targeted out there. I've seen on different chat forums and on blogs, all different types of offers, and actually on the list from Frequent Miler that I'm gonna read off of all the different offers that they've seen listed, mine actually isn't even on there, but I think that this list has most of them, so I'm just gonna read off what may end up being an offer that you might end up being targeted for. Now it's unclear how much status actually matters for these offers, but it does appear that people with higher status are actually seeing these offers. The first offer is going to be for a 1 to 4 category free night award certificate, and this is gonna be for if you happen to stay for 2 nights, or there's another one if you happen to stay for 3 nights. To me, these are the best offers out there. To be able to stay for only 2 or 3 nights and get yourself a category of 1 to 4 free night award certificate ends up being an awesome offer that if you happen to get that, I would highly recommend for you to take advantage of that. I don't think it's too difficult for someone to stay 2 or 3 nights at a Hyatt hotel over the next 2 months, so this is definitely a big win in my opinion. The next offer is going to be for Suite Upgrade Awards. Now you can end up earning one of these for each 5 nights you end up staying, or for each 10 nights you end up staying, depending on which offer you get, up to 2 max. Now Suite Upgrade Awards are definitely very valuable, and many people actually might end up seeing this as a better offer they would prefer instead of giving themselves a 1 to 4 category free night award certificate. A couple places that I used my Suite Upgrades last year were at the Andaz out in Munich, and also at the Andaz out in London. These Suite Upgrade Award certificates can actually end up allowing you to use it for up to 7 night stays, so these things can definitely end up being incredibly valuable. If you've never gotten yourself one of these Suite Upgrade Award certificates, then I would definitely recommend for you to take advantage of this promotion, because these things can definitely end up being incredibly valuable. I mean, getting yourself a suite guaranteed for 7 days, the amount of money that some of these suites end up costing as compared to a standard room can end up literally being like $400 or $500 additional dollars. And if you end up doing that over the course of an entire week, you can get yourself an incredible amount of value for these Suite Upgrade Award certificates. So if you don't see yourself getting 50 elite or 60 elite nights with the World of Hyatt program, this is gonna end up being your chance to actually access these Suite Upgrade Award certificates. It is really great having all the additional space, and if you actually happen to be going with someone, when you end up looking at their face and seeing that shock and wow when you end up walking into that larger big room, I think it ends up being absolutely priceless. The next is gonna be for Club Lounge Access. You can end up earning yourself one of these awards after doing 2 night stays. You can do this 2 times, so after 4 night stays, you can earn yourself 2 Club Lounge Access passes. Now, in my opinion, I think this is actually the least valuable award that I would want on this list. Now, if you happen to be someone who wants to have Club Lounge Access because you happen to be going to a Hyatt hotel that's gonna have a lounge in the future, then definitely this can end up being valuable for you. But a lot of people I've noticed that are part of World of Hyatt program end up seeing these passes, especially if you end up getting yourself to Globalist, where you automatically end up getting lounge access automatically. They've noticed that 1, it can end up being hard to actually find hotels that actually end up having these lounges, and then 2, even if you actually end up finding one of them, you gotta just make sure that they're still open, because some of them are still not even open, so you can end up going to that hotel and then not even being able to use this pass. The next is gonna be bonus points offers, where you can get yourself 2x points on 2 night stays or 3 night stays, or 3x points on 2 night stays or 3 night stays. And then the last one is gonna be fixed bonus points. You're gonna end up getting yourself 1,000 points for each night stayed up to 10 nights, 2,000 bonus points for every 2 nights stayed up to 20,000 points, 3,000 bonus points for every 3 nights stayed up to 15,000 bonus points max, 10,000 bonus points for every 5 night stays up to 50,000 bonus points max, and then 10,000 bonus points for every 10 night stays up to 50,000 bonus points max. Now these are some of the offers that you may end up getting. The one that I ended up getting actually ended up being a chart that has allowed me to get myself more bonus points depending on how many times I end up staying. So if I end up staying 5 nights, I can end up getting myself 5,000 bonus points. If I end up staying 15 nights, I end up giving myself an additional 10,000 bonus points, which end up being 15,000 bonus points in total. If I end up spending 25 nights, I end up getting myself another 15,000 bonus points, end up being 30,000 bonus points in total. If I end up spending myself 35 nights, I get myself an additional 25,000 bonus bonus points, get myself 55,000 bonus points in total. But I'm saying 45 nights, I end up getting myself another 35,000 bonus points, giving me 90,000 bonus points in total. Now for me, the award that I actually would prefer would end up being that free night award certificate. I am happy that I at least got offered a targeted promotion, giving me at least 5,000, possibly even 10,000 bonus points, because I'm probably gonna end up staying 5, possibly 15 nights over the next 2 months. But when I end up looking at this and seeing 45 nights over the course of the next 2 months, I mean, unless someone already has this scheduled, I don't know how this bonus journey is going to make someone actually go out of their way to stay at a Hyatt hotel for 45 nights until March 19th. It seems kind of unlikely that someone's gonna end up being able to do that with this much amount of time to be able to book this hotel stay. Now this bonus journey definitely isn't the best one I've ever seen. The one that ended up being in that category would probably end up being the one that gave you 2 elite nights for the first 2 months of 2021. But it's definitely ended up being a good bonus journey to take advantage of, depending on which one you end up getting qualified for. Now the hotels connected with this program are going to be all of Hyatt hotels, along with their partner ones being the Small Luxury of the World and also MGM Resorts hotels. Now to qualify, this has to be done with eligible nights, and the qualified nights can either be for paid stays or for award stays. But those are going to be the bonus journeys with the World of Hyatt program for 2023. I would definitely say to check your email, and if you happen to not see an email from World of Hyatt, then go over to Frequent Miler's website and have to look on one of their links, because they actually will have links for all these different offers. If you end up clicking on it and then end up putting in your World of Hyatt number, you can actually end up seeing whether or not you end up being qualified for these different promotions. So I would definitely say to check that out, see all the different ones. You may end up being qualified for one of these, and then you can end up taking advantage of one of these bonus journeys and earn yourself a bunch of points or a free night award certificate or a sweet upgrade award certificate. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do happen to have any questions, drop them down in the comment section down below and I'll do the best I can to answer them. If you happen to be interested in a World of Hyatt credit card or any credit card, check out my referral link down below, and if you decide to use it, it will help out the channel, and I'll be incredibly thankful for your support. If you happen to really like this video, then please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.